Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a video on how I exfoliate my skin. First thing I'm doing is taking my MURAD clarifying cleanser, and this cleanser really deep cleanses your skin, and it helps with acne prone skin and breakouts, blackheads, whiteheads. This is the cleanser for you if you are definitely having breakouts. Not saying that it will work for everybody, but if you are having trouble with acne and breakouts, as I am, this is a cleanser that you definitely would love to try. I've been using this cleanser for the past couple of weeks, and it has just done so many wonders for my skin. And I'm just using that on my Ulta Beauty brush that I got. It's the Ulta brand. I just picked it up. I really wanted a new face brush, and it's rechargeable. All you do is just plug it in, no batteries needed. I love this brush so much, especially the night that I exfoliate. Alright you guys, so I just rinsed that cleanser off, and now I'm just taking my face towel and just patting my skin dry. Next, I'm going in with my Biore baking soda acne scrub, and this scrub has really been doing wonders for my skin. Lately, I've just really been all about skincare and getting all of that gunk out of my skin. So I've been breaking out a lot, and that's due to all of the dirt and oils being pushed forward out of my skin and just getting everything just unclogged. So I'm just taking that scrub, and I'm just going to just rub it all over my face and just massaging, give myself a little mini massage. Then I'm going to take my face brush, and I am going to exfoliate a little bit further. This brush, like I said, is just so great. I cannot tell you how much I love this brush. And I'm just getting all deep into the skin, making sure I'm really unclogging those pores, because I have pores that are just so huge and they're so large, and it's just so ridiculous how big my pores are. Like, seriously. So crazy. So I'm just going to continue to use my brush to really just exfoliate and help that scrub really get all of that dirt and oil out, like I said. So just going to continue doing that. Oh, and guys, I always go in kind of circular motions. When I'm using the scrub, I try to use a little bit more pressure than I normally would with my face wash, with my cleanser, but yeah, just use a little bit more pressure with my scrub. Once again, I rinse that off using my face towel to dry my face dry, just to pat it dry. As you guys can see how like clean my skin looks. I do have a few breakouts. That's because, like I said, it's just really pushing everything forward, getting it all out. I'd rather better out than in, as they say. Alright you guys, so next I'm going to take this Spotlight Cucumber facial mask, and this facial mask is targeted towards reducing your pores. I have super large, and as you can see me struggling to get it open, but you guys heard me say this before, like I have super duper huge pores and this mask just works perfectly for me. Alright you guys, so I'm opening the mask up now, and I'm going to get ready to just apply it to my face. Looking at it, like trying to figure out like how the heck does this thing go on. So I'm going to place that on my face, and as you can see, I'm just like looking crazy right now. So yeah, let's get this right. Yeah, let's get it together, Nikki, get it together. So I didn't recognize it at first, but the flaps are for you to cover your eyes. So if you really just want to lay down and just like relax, or if you want to take a nice hot bubble bath, that would be like the perfect mask to just like really put those flaps over your eyes and just relax for about 10 to 15, 20 minutes, and just kind of just let that really sink into your skin. But because I'm going to just go get on my phone, watch TV, I'm going to place those flaps down because, yeah, I need to be seeing what I'm doing. Because I'm not a relaxed person. I'm always moving. So now that I got that onto my skin, and I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and go just do whatever I do. Alright, you guys, so now the 10 minutes is up. I'm going to take the mask off, and I want to take the excess product and I want to rub it in my skin and let that get deep and penetrate into my skin. And my skin feels so good after this mask, you guys. It feels amazing. That mask really felt super duper awesome. So just rubbing that excess product in. Alright, you guys, so my next step will be to take my MURAD Acne Control Rapid Relief Spot Treatment. And this treatment just helps to clear and prevent breakouts. I usually just put it on the spots that are breaking out and my troublesome spots and my more acne prone areas of my face. And I just like to spot it. As you can see, I have quite a few breakouts, so I'm just really just focusing it on the breakouts that I do have on my face right now that are just looking really horrible and bad. And I haven't been wearing makeup because I've just been trying to let my skin breathe and let those breakouts clear up. So I just spotted on the areas where I'm breaking out, and then I'm just going to take my fingers and just kind of rub it in. You really want to be careful with this product because it is pretty strong. It has 2.0% salicylic acid, so it is kind of strong. So just be careful about, near your eyes and mouth and nose and everything like that, because it does have a very strong odor, and it is a strong product because it does have quite a bit of salicylic acid in there, which is something that I really need. So that's a great thing for me. Alright, next, you guys, I'm going to take the acne clearing solution, and this treatment has 0.5 salicylic acid in it, and this helps to prevent breakouts, reduce your blemish size and redness. So this clearing solution is also an acne product. It helps with clearing away acne and helps with clearing away blemishes as well. And guys, I know this looks like I'm going in steps, and that's because I'm using the MURAD 30-day discovery kit because I wanted all of the products in one without having to spend so much money. So I'll probably just keep purchasing this kit depending on how I like it. Alright, you guys, so after that, I'm using the oil control mattifier with SPF. It has SPF 15 in it, and it mattifies and helps control the oils in your skin. And I get really oily in my T-zone, so this is just like the perfect ultimate product for me, because I want something that's just gonna really like control that oil, just to help that, because I get oily at night too in my sleep. I get oily when I wear makeup. I'm just like get oily in my T-zone. It's just what it is. Alright, and the last step is I'm going to be using the MURAD Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is just an oil-free hydration for blemish prone skin. This is just a hydration that just is going to just help hydrate my skin even further. And y'all, it smells amazing. It smells like really good, y'all. I had trouble, like I pushed it out from the tube. I had trouble opening this product. Look, I just pushed it out from the tube. And on the package it says use the oil control mattifier during the day and the skin perfecting lotion at night, but I'm using them both tonight because I want the extra hydration, because my skin gets dry on the outer portion of my face. But in combination with the oil control mattifier and the skin perfecting lotion, I feel like I'll just get that even balance tonight. So I may use 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. But hey, tonight I just felt like using them both because my skin was really quenching a thirst today. So I just wanted to just go ahead and use them both. Alright, you guys, so this is really pretty much it for how I exfoliate my skin. I cleanse my face, use a mask, and then I go in and use my treatment products, and that's pretty much all that I do, you guys. Alright, good night, you guys. Sleep tight, and I'll see you in the next video.